Hi, how are you doing? I'm going to show you how to install ArchLinux in a virtual machine. I got here a Virtualbox. Everyone knows what Virtualbox is, so you download it, you install it, and okay. I'm not gonna do new. I'm going to you go to archlinux.org and you go to download. You download the ISO. Here you can use the magnetic link or the torrent, or you can go to your country and download it from there. That's easy. The ISO is about 750 megabytes, so you download it and save it whatever you want. Let's go to VirtualBox and you're gonna do new. You name it wherever you want. I'm gonna name it Arch. Okay. You select this operating system here. You select the version of is it 32 bits or 64 bit. You can select whatever you want. It works in both of them. Okay, you select next. You give it a 1 gigabyte. It's enough for a virtual machine anyway. Okay, you just click on next. Storage, you can give it 16 gigabytes. It's okay. Before booting it, I need to change a few settings. It's important to do this. Go to settings and you go to system. I'm gonna remove this floppy disk, whatever. I don't know if it's still in there. You have to enable EFI. You have to enable it because ArchLinux is a EFI. You can. I'm gonna give it to CPUs. I'm gonna leave the RAM as it is. Display, you can give it a max if you want. Give it 100. Okay. Now you leave everything as it is. So click on OK and let's click on Start. Let's get rid of this. Start. We're gonna ask you for the ISO. You can add it from your ISO thing. I have an ISO folder here. As you can see, I have multiple releases of Arch. I'm gonna select the last one. Yours may be different, depends on the day. Okay, selected it. Okay, it's in here. Okay, I'm gonna choose it and click on Start. Get this already. You select the first option, installing Arch Linux install medium. Okay, I'm gonna go for screen here. Okay, click on enter. Give it a few seconds to boot. Come on. It's booting now. As you can see, it's loading all modules and stuff. Okay, we are ready to start installing. Let me see. me check the keyboard here. Okay, the keyboard. The default settings for the keyboard in Arch is an English keyboard. I have a French keyboard. I need to change that. To change it, I need to do this command. Load. Okay, load. Keys, and choose FR. FR means French. Okay, let's click on A. Okay, it's good. Let's partition the disk first. Remember, we give it 16 gigabytes, so I'm gonna partition that. And to partition that, you need to click on I'm gonna type CF disk. Click on Untitled. Let's choose GPT. Okay, new one. Have to create the EFI boot partition. You can give it a 512. Let's give it 512 megabytes. 512 minus 521. 512 megabytes. M means megabyte, G means gigabyte, T, etc. Okay, I'll click on enter. Let's choose the system type. I'm gonna scroll up, go up to EFI system. Okay, let's go down to the empty space and click on new. We can add the swap, do swap. You can do, I'm just gonna do 512 for the swap. I don't need swap. Okay, 512 megabytes. Click on enter. Let's type of the system. Linux swap selected. Go down. I'm gonna use all this space. It's already selected. It's 15 gigabytes. Type, it's already selected, but if it doesn't select, okay, you can select it. Okay, let's go to write. I'm gonna type yes. You need to type yes all. Okay, now we're gonna quit. Okay, if I do LSBLK, I'm gonna see how many. Okay, as you say, I have an SDA1, an SDA2, and an SDA3. Okay, let's format those partitions. To format them, you need to do mkfs dot fat dash f32 slash dev means device. You select the device. It's for the EFI. I'm gonna select SDA1. It's SDA1. Okay. Okay, we click on enter. It's okay. Now we need to do the swap. It's SDA2. Okay. I'm gonna do mk swap. You're gonna choose the device. It's the dev SDA2. Okay. Okay. Now it's done. Let's activate the swap. I'm gonna do swap on. We select the device. Device is SDA2. Click on enter. Now the swap is on. Let's make the boot system. That means where you're gonna put all this stuff. I'm gonna do mkfs.ext for. I'm gonna format it as a ext4 file system. Device is the SDA3. Okay, click on enter, and it's writing. It's done. Okay, now we formatted them. And if I do, let's mount those partitions. Let's mount this partitions. We're gonna type mount slash dev slash SDA3. Let's mount SDA3 into the mount direct MNT. Okay, you click on enter. I'm gonna want to make a file here in mk dir slash mnt slash boot. The file is or the directory is boot. The name of the directory is boot. Okay, we're gonna put the AFI system in it. Okay, enter, click on enter, and you do mount slash dev slash SDA in SDA1, the AFI partition slash space slash mnt slash the directory we just created, boot. Okay, we click on enter, and we're done. Now we need to backstrap this backstrap the operating system. Is a pack strap just into mnt slash mnt. We're gonna install a few automation, few stuff. Base, I'm gonna need them later. Okay, base and base double dash double. I'm gonna add Linux and Linux dash firmware. Okay, we're gonna click on enter, and we'll let it backstep this stuff, do this stuff. Here is gonna take a little bit of time, depends on your internet connection. Okay, I'm going to stop recording here so we can come back when it's finished. We're gonna take a few minutes to do this. Okay.